Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry, and today we are going to make crispy baked chicken. And you may be thinking, how do you make baked chicken that's crispy? Well, I'm going to let you know. Let's start with our seasonings. We have some poultry seasoning, some honey garlic rub, some Goya seasoning, which is awesome by the way, and we have some whole dried oregano, and we have our dried seasonings on one side. And then on the other side, we have our wet ingredients, which is yellow mustard, extra virgin olive oil, and teriyaki sauce. Make sure you check the description box below so you can get the full recipe. Now, we're going to mix these all together, and you're going to toss the chicken wings in this. The chicken wings are raw at this point. You want to go to the poultry or your butcher and get some good chicken wings. Make sure you clean them and pluck the feathers. I missed a couple, left them on, but that's all right. I ate right through those. So we have some vegetables. We have some celery, some peppers, and some yellow onions. You're going to cut that up and you're going to add that on top, which is going to give more flavor to your chicken. I'm not going to add any water into this baking pan. I'm going to cover it with foil and cook this on 350, and I cooked this for about 2.5 hours. The last hour I took the foil off and let it cook, and that's how the skin gets very crispy. It's very important that you do that. I served this with some mac and cheese and green beans. I will link my mac and cheese video below so you can watch it. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications of when I post. Check the description box below for the recipe, which will be on my blog. Leave me some comments, and I will see you guys in the next video.